Okay, so the next bit is the hypothesis. So it's very much connected to the prediction. So in the prediction, we've stated what we think will happen. So in this particular experiment, I'm testing to see how the weight of a car will affect how long it will take to roll down a ramp. And I've predicted that if I increase the weight of the car, then the time taken to roll down the ramp will also increase. Okay? So the prediction, though, is me explaining why it is I think that. Okay, so in this topic, and it's always related to the topic you're learning about in school. Okay, so in this particular topic, we've been learning about energy. Okay, so I know that the car moves because it has kinetic energy. Okay, and it's sitting on top of the ramp. So if it's high up on the ramp, that means it has potential energy. And I also know, just sort of thinking about things, that it's harder to move, it takes more energy to move heavy things than it does to move lighter things. Okay, so that's sort of the way that I'm thinking. So I'm thinking that a heavier car will take more time to roll down the ramp because it'll take more energy to get it moving. Okay, so my hypothesis then is it takes more energy to get a heavier object to move than a lighter object. Therefore, it will take longer for the energy to be converted from potential energy, that's the energy it has when it's sitting up on top of the ramp, to kinetic energy. Okay, that's my hypothesis. That's why I think that it's going to take longer for a heavier car to roll down the ramp than a lighter car. Okay? Now, it depends on, obviously, on what experiment you're doing. So you have to think about what it is you've been learning in school, and you have to link it to that somehow. Okay? It might even take a little bit of research on Google. Okay? So you might have to get onto Google and do a little bit of research about it to figure out why it is you think what you do in your prediction. Okay, good luck with that.